A fruit tree used to treat skin problems such as eczema and psoriasis. What an amazing tree it is! Introducing Manggang Wani, Mangifera odorata of the family Anacardiaceae. Manggang Wani is a large, straight ball, shade-growing tree and a relative of Manggang Paho. The core wood produced by this tree can be used for decorative veneer production. Fruits of Manggang Wani can be eaten raw or cooked, but the base forms are much appreciated as table fruit. Manggang Wani is used as an ornamental plant in gardens and landscapes. It is also used as a medicinal plant to treat skin problems like eczema and psoriasis. In folk medicine, the bark is recommended as an external application as a compound, like a cosmetic mixture during hysteroepileptic events. The sap of unripe fruits is said to be poisonous. This is Max. Caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small, when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.